Tired of constantly worrying if your credit card information is safe every time you shop online? Well, UK residents, Klarna's one-time card is here to give you peace of mind with its added layer of protection. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to use it. First, open your Klarna app. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Next, look for the Cards tab. It's usually located at the bottom. Tap on it. You should now see different card options. Find the one-time card, tap to select it. Now, you'll need to create a one-time card. Specify the amount you plan to spend. Make sure it covers the total cost, including shipping and taxes. Then, tap Create Card. Klarna will instantly generate a unique, single-use virtual card. You'll see the card number, expiry date, and CVV. These are the details you'll use at checkout. Tap to copy the card number to your clipboard. This makes it easy to paste directly into the payment form. Head to the retailer's website or app and proceed to checkout. When you reach the payment section, paste the one-time card number into the credit card field. Then enter the expiry date and CVV from your one-time card. Double-check that all the information matches and then complete your purchase. And that's it. Your primary card details remain safe and secure. The one-time card is only valid for this single transaction, providing an added layer of fraud protection and a hassle-free shopping experience.